Keely, Austin, Phoenix, Arizona. I was introduced to Renatus by two really good friends of mine, Michael and Vanessa Huggins. Before Renatus, I was working in the banking industry for about 6 years, and it was 2 years ago that I was introduced to Renatus. I knew that I liked banking, I liked helping other people. I didn't want to work for someone else though until I was 65, and I knew that retirement wasn't really going to work out. And so I knew that this was going to be a really great vehicle, even though I didn't know anything about real estate, knew nothing about business ownership, but it was something that I knew would work because I knew it had worked for Michael and Vanessa. I completed the essentials, that was the first thing I went through, and I learned a lot about credit. My credit was pretty decent to begin with, and I'm grateful for that. That's how I was able to get the education funded. And so the credit class really helped me recover my credit, and I've also learned a little bit about fix and flip. I was actually focused on multifamily for a while, and my aunt called me with a deal. I'd been putting it out there that I was a real estate investor, and so I ended up doing a fix and flip, and so I used some of the fix and flip class, and I plugged into the community for that. The community has been a huge help to my success. Like I mentioned with the fix and flip, I had been studying multifamily. I wasn't really studying fix and flip yet, and so when that landed in my lap, I was able to connect with someone in my group who's done a lot of fix and flip, and I plugged into his systems, plugged into his trades, and we were able to get the deal done smoothly. And so not having the community, I wouldn't have had that. So people are there to help you. Since I've joined Renatus, I was able to quit my job, and so through the marketing and through the deal, I was able to, replace my income, and that has been just really amazing. I've been traveling a lot and spending a lot of time at home with my cats. So just, I get to fulfill my passions. I really want to travel, I really want to be outdoors, and I want to help animals. And so because of Renatus, I'm able to pursue those passions and not have to worry about ever having a job ever again.